So in this video, we're going to go over just how you can make a call-out ad extension within your Google Ads account. But first of all, let's run through this very useful page I have here, which is 68 and counting call-out examples for you to use for free. So I will have a link to this in the description. I also have a video going over this in detail. This is free for you to download, and simply when you click through to the link, you just go to here and you go copy, new spreadsheet, and make your own spreadsheet with it. You also have all of these other templates and useful frameworks I've made related to Google Ads or marketing in general. So let's just first of all run over what a Google callout is. So this is just a section, a little snippet of a couple of words like free shipping, 24/7 customer service, price matching, that are really either promotions or USPs of your business, but will complement the main Google advertising you have here. So it is just another way to reduce the friction by adding more value to the user and reducing the friction they may have to becoming either an inquiry on your website or a phone call lead. They're really good to do and they're so easy to make. So let's run through how you make it. So first of all, we're in our demo account here. Let's select our campaign, which is our emergency plumber campaign here. And what we want to do is go to ads and assets, and under ads, we want to click on assets. So I went over a video of making site links I also have examples of site links here, 25 and counting. But yeah, this video we'll just go over the callouts. So simply select callout here, and then we want to go and we're going to attach it to the campaign, or we can do accounts. Site links are probably a bit more broad. So for a plumbing company, I'm just going to put those to account level, but be as specific as you can. And if you feel like you need to be specific, then you probably do. So let's look and let's pick a few site links that we can create. So let's look. Free quote is a good call to action to have. 4.8 stars on Trustpilot. I'm just going to use a few from each section. Fast call out response, very good. Competitive prices from promotion. Money back guarantee. It's a good one to use. And any good here. What else could we use? 24-hour customer service is a great one. Cool. And there you have 6 callouts, which will appear just under your main headlines of your advert here. And all we do is click save, and these are now saved to your accounts level for your campaigns. These will be displayed on all your campaigns, and you won't need to select them. Okay guys, if you found that video useful, please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I want to build my following and I want to connect with you guys. Send me a message saying you came from my YouTube videos, and I'll answer any questions you may have relating to Google Ads, Facebook ads, or anything marketing related. Okay, thank you guys.